Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I want to just do a quick video here and show you guys how to load your Yashica Mat 124G. It's pretty simple and straightforward. There's a little bit of stuff you need to be sure about, so I'll hop in here and get this thing loaded up. Got a roll of Kodak XR100 here, and we're going to throw it in this Yashica Mat and get ready to go take some photos. So the first place you start is here on the bottom of the camera. You've got an open close lever here. You just turn that and open. Get her open there. And then I like to take this rocket blaster here and just make sure I get all the dust and crud and everything cleaned out. A little bit awkward because I like to do it upside down so the dust has somewhere to go besides the back end of the camera. And that's not necessary, it's just something I do like to do. And then, here on the back, you want to make sure your pressure plate here has 12 exposures in this window, since we are loading 120 film. And mine does, so we're good to go. If it doesn't, all you have to do is press in on it and slide it down. We're up. And since this has just had a roll freshly shot through it, our spool is down here in the bottom, we need to get it up here. So we'll pull this little knob here, lock it into place, and we'll go ahead and open this one, lock it. Take our spool out, then line this little keyway up with the one here inside the camera. And that's all there is to that. So we just turn our little knob and lock it into place. So now we're good to start loading. I'm going to crank this just a hair so now that my little slot here is open for the film. Well, I like to do all this little extra bundling off of there. So we'll take our film and fold the little tab here, and we're kind of just going to repeat the process down here on the bottom for this. Let's get that in there, lock the knob down, there we go, and then we'll pull our paper out and get this little leader started. And now these are two of the more important things. You want to watch these corners right here and right here. Make sure that they go into this spool straight. That way you don't start crossing your film across the top there. So now that we're here, we're going to get our crank and start rolling that on. And like I said, I'm watching these corners, make sure they get good and straight on there. And then the next important thing, these cameras apparently like to be wound up tight. So I put my thumb down here, just add a little bit of tension. There we go. Alright, now we're cranking on there good and tight. Nice and straight. And then we're looking for these to come up here to this little green arrow, which you may not, there it is right there. We're lining that up. Alright, so now we're lined up, ready to start. Close our lid, lock it back down. Wind her up. And we're on frame one. That's all there is to it. It's a pretty easy camera to load as well for 120. And I love this camera very, very much. So if you'd like to see my review on it, I'll link that down below in the description, and maybe on an in card. I don't know, with the way YouTube's changed everything up here lately. That may not be possible, so look in the description just to be safe. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for coming by and watching, and glad you guys are here. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you later.